Hi everyone, my name is Bella and I'm a student here at Marist College. Today we're taking a look around Leo Hall. This residence hall houses approximately 315 first-year students across 7 floors. This residence hall has a lot to offer, so let's go check it out. When you walk into Leo, a door to the left leads to the residence areas, and to the right is Leo's Lounge, where you can watch TV, study, socialize, or enjoy planned activities organized by residential staff. This is what a room will typically look like in Leo Hall. In these double rooms, you share your space with one other student, each with your own height-adjustable bed, dresser, desk with chair, and in-wall closet space. There's also room for you to share a mini fridge and microwave that you can either bring from home or rent from the college. As for TV, we use an internet-based streaming service where you can watch live TV on a Roku device, computer, or even your smartphone. Each floor also has a shared bathroom with showers, lavatories, and sinks. Every first-year residence hall has a resident director that oversees the building, as well as a resident assistant on every floor. RDs are live-in professional staff members that are responsible for the day-to-day operations and oversee the RAs. RAs are extensively trained upperclassmen who are responsible for developing, programming, promoting positive community development, and acting as a resource for fellow resident students. Leo also has a coordinator from the Office of First-Year Programs. This professional staff member mentors new students throughout their first year at Marist to help them with their academic, social, and emotional transition to college. Back down on the first floor, Leo also offers a full kitchen with a microwave and dining area where you can cook a meal and hang out with friends. On the ground floor below, Leo also has another common area with couches and some workout equipment that residents can utilize. Also on this floor are the laundry facilities that are free to use. The status of these machines can easily be checked online. One thing I love about Leo is that it has exercise equipment on the ground floor. This is really convenient if you want to get in a quick workout. But if you want access to a full gym, the McCann Center is nearby as well. I hope you've enjoyed our tour of Leo Hall and everything it has to offer. If you want to see Leo or any of our other first-year residence halls for yourself, schedule a campus tour at marist.edu/visit. If you want to learn more about housing at Marist, check out our housing website at marist.edu/housing. Thanks for joining us and have a great day.